Respect is not demanded. It's earned. Insolence. Toxic people don't understand kindness. They test boundaries, but when you respond with quiet strength instead of emotional noise, you teach them what real power sounds like. Silence. 1. Stay calm when they expect you to react. Toxic people feed on reaction. Your calmness confuses them. It starves their need for control. When you stop reacting, they start respecting base. Nothing is louder than quiet self-control. 2. Maintain boundaries without explaining. You owe no long speeches to those hawk-cross lines. A simple no spoken, peacefully carries more weight than 1,000 justifications. Boundaries said calmly build invisible respect. Peaceful firmness commands silence. 3. Observe more. Speak less. Let their words reveal their nature. Yours should reveal your peace. When you speak less, people listen more. Observation is a quiet form of dominance. You gain respect not by volume but by awareness. 4. Protect your energy like it's so-called. Don't attend every argument. You're invited to some silences are self-respect in motion. Energy protected is dignity preserved. When you stop chasing validation, they start chasing your attention. 5. Distance yourself without announcing it. You don't have to warn anyone that you're walking away. Just go quietly. Peace makes more noise than confrontation. Absence teaches lessons. Presence never could. Respect grows in the space where excessence was. 6. Let your success do the talking. Toxic people respect results, not emotions. When you focus on your growth, their opinions shrink. Nothing silences disrespect. Faster. Thank quiet achievement. Your glow becomes your answer. 7. Choose peace over proving. You don't need to prove your worth. Your peace already does. Let go of trying to change them. Rise above them. True respect begins when you no longer explain who you are. When you master peace, even toxic people bow to your silence. Remember, silence is not weakness. It's wisdom. You don't fight for respect. You embody it. You don't fight for respect. You embody. Choose distance over drama. Choose peace over power. If this message spoke to your soul, comment, "I earn respect in silence," and subscribe to Mindful Ways. Your journey to quiet strength begins here.